Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn list items in HTML language. By presenting the data in HTML, you should understand how you need to display items of the list one by one when the items are more than one. When you are presenting some data in using the bullet points, and presenting like a city, a country, and village, name of the villages like this, and name of the products you want to display one by one, how you are going to display, or and name of the colleges you want to display, or name of the courses to be enrolled, you have to display one by one in your HTML form. How it is pretty easy. Yes, in this lecture, first of all, we would like to show you unordered list items, how to be display, and where to be fit these items to be displayed by making the bullets and all will show you. Let's begin the session. Yeah, see here, within the div tag, what I am doing here, just simply I am applying one simple tag, that is UL. That is all about unordered list. You don't know about the order of the items, and you want to display and you want to present this particular list of items in your HTML web form. Just see here, within this unordered list items, the tag, you have to add one more tag called list item, that is LI. The tag you select that and press tab. Within that tag, I am showing here courses of HTML. That is the one tag, and one more tag which is called like a PHP. And so called, I'm preparing for the list of items for the courses which we are offering or which we are going to demonstrating for making like availability in our website. For an instance, either you can take the courses or cities or areas which you want to display in items, you present there, and javascript javascript and one more list item I'm taking, it is bootstrap C, and one more item which in my mind is Python. Yeah, this is the latest and uptrending programming language. Yeah, one more list item I can say you like a CSS3 is the latest version. Let's save it. Now open the browser and refresh the page. Yeah, so called here it is the URL. If you don't know how to see it, you just press the right click of this and open in browser. You will get in the browser. All right. Now see, these are the items I have written as called unordered list. Yes, I have used and applied UL for unordered list, and there is an unordered list items are by making the li tag to presenting the like a name of the item here, and open tag and end tag of li. As put you many of your items here, it will be displayed there. And if I want to add one more item which we want to use, press just this link. Just simply save it and refresh. You see here, that's it about. If you want to make a heading for this, I can tell you these are the courses. Just put it here, and one take you take a H1 tag. Yeah, courses are. Save it, refresh. Courses are. That's it. How pretty, it's easy. Whichever in your web page where you want to display this type of products or courses or list of items, anything, you make it is the text of your own custom and write this UL tag. Under the UL tag, you can place the li tag and write the text, the item which you want to display there. You will be write down. It will be displayed like this. That's it. So called easy to present the group of or list of items which is in UnOrdered at HTML page. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.